Imagine a place where you can immerse yourself in the world of nature. A special place that will leave long-lasting memories with you for years to come. With its cascading streams and waterfalls to its unique mangrove forests. Imagine meeting our gregarious macaws and curious otters. Feeling the wind beneath your feet as you are taken on a journey around the world to meet a unique cast of people and animals that will leave you on the edge of your seat. Imagine nightfall coming to life with fireflies, inquisitive foxes, and of course, regal owls. Imagine going through a nocturnal journey, watching the night come alive. Imagine no more. EcoVision Amphitheatre is coming to Zoo Malacca to bring nature closer to you than ever before.